When dealing with API requests and responses, we constantly need to modify the body before sending it to the backend or returning to the client. With Azure API Management, we have a very nice command to help us with this task, the setBody command. And within the setBody, we have a very powerful option to help us manipulate the body's text, the Liquid template option. Liquid is the name of a script language created a few years ago with the single purpose of manipulating strings, XML, and JSON objects. In the example that you are watching now, we are using a if statement inside the Liquid language to establish conditions in the body. In this other example, we see how we can loop inside the JSON object to extract values and use the values as we wish. Also, Liquid comes with a lot of built-in functions that can be used to perform a variety of tasks that are commonly necessary when dealing with strings, XML, and JSON. A few examples: the replace function to replace parts of a string text within another text, mathematical functions like round, so that you can round numbers before showing them to the user, the uppercase function to put the text in uppercase, and many others like split, slice, map, etc. I use the Liquid language daily in my projects, and it helps me a lot. I hope it helps you too. And that's all for today. Till next time.